is a Peterbilt truck and we have some problems when we're trying to shift it in gear, especially in first gear and reverse. We can't do it because the clutch brake is broken. When we're trying to shift it in gear, the clutch brake doesn't work and it doesn't stop the transmission spinning. It's still spinning with the higher revs, so this is why we are not able to shift it into gear. Now let's go under the truck and take a look at the clutch brake. Now we'll as you can see, when you're pressing the clutch pedal, the clutch brake is stopping from spinning, but the shaft is still spinning because the teeth on the clutch brake is broken. Now we should remove the clutch brake. If you want to take a look at the clutch brake, this is the clutch housing. We need to remove this cover. It usually have 4 bolts. In our case, this one have 2 bolts. We just need to remove these 2 bolts, take out this cap and take a look at the clutch brake. We need a 13mm socket. 2 bolts like this, and as you can see right now, we have access to the clutch. This is our clutch, and inside there is a clutch brake, and it have a teeth that hold it on the shaft. It don't need to spin around. Actually, it should spin around just together with the shaft. In our case, the teeth is broken probably, and it's spinning around freely on the shaft. I will try to spin it and you will see. This is the clutch, and right there is the clutch brake. And as you can see, probably the teeth is broken and it's spinning freely around. It's not supposed to spin around. And it's just one piece, so right now I am thinking how to remove it without removing the transmission. Probably I'll grind it, we'll see. I need to take it apart in 2 pieces. So like this, I'll be able to take it away from a shaft. I welded this bolt so I make it longer. I will try to insert it inside and use the hammer to cut this clutch brake. One side is already cutted. Now I'm gonna turn it on 180 degree and cut on our side. As you can see, we're on another side right now. We still have a little bit to cut, and after we can take it apart into small pieces. What's up, Pesha, like explaining? Ah? Да. And as you can see, this is our one-piece clutch brake. We was able to cut it and remove without taking out the transmission. This is a plate that goes inside, and this is the disc. It's a piece of art, as you can see right now. We have one more piece left inside. I'm gonna take it out. At least I'll try to take it out. As you can see, we still have another half inside. I need something else to pull it out. As you can see, I was able to remove another half. I was thinking already I'll need to cut one more time, but it came out. This is how it looks. And we still have a small piece inside. We have that small circle. Now I'll try to use something and to cut this small circle too and take it out. As you can see, another piece of art is coming out. And we still have something left. We still have that piece inside. As you can see, that washer is the last piece that is inside right now. We need to remove it too, but it's hard, we can't cut it, and I'll try to drill it. I'm gonna use a drill bit extension and a bit like this, but I'll start with a smaller one, and I'll try to remove that washer right there. I started already to drill it. Finally the washer is cutted. Mike, we need just to remove it.
Congratulations.
Jak to oprima? Wiesz? Uči ti groz. Huh? And this is the second piece. And now we have all the clutch brake removed. Now we should find two pieces, clutch brake, and install it back. We cutted it and removed it. This is a new one, it's two pieces, so we will not need to remove the transmission and install it. Now we're gonna install it back and clamp it back together. After we'll install it, you will need to put a plate or something, press the clutch, and this pin will go inside. And after it will be good to go. The new clutch brake is on and it's not spinning around. Миша, порнешь трак. 65 водой сцепление с полной скоростью. Now I'll try to shift into gear.